a lot of people see, if you look at these clouds out there, if you see they see like faces in the clouds, they see objects. The reason for that is called pareidolia. The reason for that is in the evolutionary game theory matrix. If you have, let's say you were running around the forest, usually only have partial information of the environment.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, predators and prey, you will not see them fully. You will see parts. Maybe see a leg, or maybe see a head, or something like that. Maybe only a part of maybe on an eye or something like that. And if you wait until you have all the information, maybe you see the full animal. By that time, it's too late. They have run away, or maybe they've already pounced on you. So this is where it goes with evolutionary history. So your ancestors that just were like, wait, we need to wait until we have all the information. They died, or they didn't make it. They didn't outcompete the ones that say, you know what? With our assumptions, let's jump to conclusions. Sometimes the conclusions are wrong, but maybe we can live with that. Let's say you assume there's a face out there, but there's not. Well, maybe it's a little scary, but ultimately, that's fine.
Yeah.
You know? Whereas if you make the other, so that's a false positive, that's fine. Whereas make the other inference like, oh no, there was a predator out there, but you missed it. You could die, yes.
Yeah.
Also prey, like let's say you're hunting, you missed your prey. So in other words, the consequences of false negatives are much more serious than the consequences of a false positive. So in this particular case, the brain errs on the side of false positives, accepts many thousands of false positives for one false negative, which is why you see these faces on your wallpaper, in the clouds, everywhere, textures.